This is the strat, okay? I hit them off the high ground, and then they drop into all of our turrets.
Oh yeah.
Big brain.
So
dude.
big brain.
Oh my god.
No.
Well, if I was asking for it, we gotta do it, guys.
Nah, you should probably run. You should probably run dive here. Dive is better than pretty much anything else you can run.
That's better than Ryan Zarya?
No, I'm fucking hearing the Hammonds now.
Yeah, dive is better than Ryan Zarya this patch on this point.
Okay.
Insanity stopped playing Overwatch.
My entire chat lost endorsements available for last played match. Fuck, I'm going to the bathroom if they're doing this.
Oh, they unpaused.
Just repause it.
I mean. Oh my god. 4.
Not true at all, but you know.
I mean.
I wish that was true, LaFon. That means I have a cat.
I
Wait,
know,
you
that's why I
don't?
said it.
Should we say ready?
God
Wait.
damn it, dude.
Wait, Kip, you don't have a cat?
No, I moved.
Well, you should.
Wait,
Why didn't a cat
how
move?
does it, yeah, exactly.
No, my roommate owned both cats.
Oh.
Yeah, I had all the benefits of having a cat and no consequences.
Pog.
They finished filming Avengers
Amazing.
4 today.
Oh wait, while I'm playing Genji. That's the right play. That's the right call.
Today was the last day that Chris Evans ever acted as a Captain America.
You could have stopped at last day he ever acted. Would work too. The wind is blowing through my window, and it's so refreshing to have my room finally be this cold again.
What the fuck? My room's like fucking 13 degrees in here. Granted, I'm wearing shorts and a tank, but still.
Same.
I want that kind of
Really
temperature.
fucking cold, what the hell?
What was Zarya?
Playing back a point. Yeah, Zarya Ryan.
Oh, I'm asleep.
I went to sleep.
Tell me where they are so I can tell you.
Doomfist left side. Doomfist top left.
Ryan on up top, Lucio top.
Yeah, Doom top
I'm
left.
Zarya point. I'm gonna hack Zarya. I'm gonna hack Zarya.
Three.
Zarya. Zarya dead.
Doofus won. Oh my god, kill.
There, Doom one.
Anna back right. Going on Anna
Ryan's
right
top,
now.
Ryan's top, Ryan's top behind you.
Ryan hack.
Run one.
Good job.
Sombra.
Jack down.
Play point.
Lucio.
Yeah, fine.
Try and get him. He's out. Yeah, he's
Vault
fucking.
lower.
Just too bad.
Doofus top low.
He
has
back?
no punch.
Yeah.
No, the close.
Yeah, they're all
Ready.
playing close.
Ready.
Yeah, I'm ready to. I'm ready to.
2, 1. Going on their Ana in the far back.
Doom hack.
Kill him.
Oh,
Doom dead.
I'm dead.
I'm gonna EMP.
No.
Oh,
No.
I was.
It's fine. It's fine.
I'm about to sleep on pillar here. Oh,
I'm just gonna help later.
yeah.
I punched Winston into our team. Can we kill him?
He was getting pocketed. And
It's fine. Wait for Ono.
I'm just moving turret until they push me back.
We're here.
I'm asleep right now.
I'm fine.
The D.Va hacked already.
And
Divac. Diva's hack.
Thumb up
Alright,
one.
I'm on Lucio, I'm on Lucio, Lucio very low. I'm on their Doom.
I need heals. I kill both supports though.
Oh,
D.Va on point right now?
yeah,
D.Va.
bomb.
Good. They're wasting ults. Don't die to that. Good. Now
Got him.
feature.
She's one.
Nice.
Job.
Body.
Dude, if you want to go, I can set up. Oh wait, we don't have primal. Rift.
I think they have EMP
Okay, okay.
here.
Throw in your bomb and know him dive with the bomb. Wait, no, yeah.
What's that? What's that? What's that? What's the hack?
Everyone looked ready.
Oh fuck.
I'm
If
going to
he
get
when he
help.
gets you.
Dawn is dead. We still win this.
Got the Doom.
Oh my god.
When Winston has primal left side, he's hacked.
Where's Sombra? Call me
One
No
Lucio?
matrix, no
Oh,
matrix.
Sombre's in building. Sombre's in
D.Va
building.
1 HP.
She's teleported.
Monkey low as well, monkey dead.
Diva.
I'm sleeping D.Va.
Don't hack her. I like her. She's hacked. She's hacked.
Kill Diva. Go.
Anna dead.
No job.
I'm gonna lose mech for you.
Focus point.
Doom gone, Doom gone.
We're fine. We're
One
fine.
near
We're
Diva.
fine.
They have no Anna right now.
Monkey.
Monkey focus. Monkey is
He has
primal.
ult. He has ult. Not wrong.
Doom's
I'm gonna
I'm
EMP. I'm gonna
Doom
EMP.
very low.
Yeah.
Yeah. Doom hack. Doom on.
And no nade right now.
Monkey's one.
Doom dead. Monkey.
Monkey's dead.
Nice.
I'm prime.
Summer. She has EMP.
Yeah.
Honest
Nice.
one. Low dying on point.
Nice.
Okay, so they burn primal and
I'm on near
Yes,
Lucio.
there it is. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my god.
You're fine. Lucio hacked.
No.
I'm gonna...
We're good right now. Call out with the. Oh no.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll move cars then. For now.
They're just chilling in spawn.
Yeah,
Yeah.
call out with the honors and then we can set a dive up on her. We should beat it too.
I
Wait,
don't wanna
did
play
they use?
this
Did
I'm
they use
playing
EMP?
really fucking
No,
far
I
back.
haven't used it yet.
Okay, fine. We'll counter diving this fight. Wait for them to use
Somber,
EMP and then we go back.
Somber right side.
I'm killing her. Nah, Summer has an E. Go aggressive on whoever's in cart.
Sombra.
Blocking heals.
Oh.
They don't
Lucio
have
hacked.
heals.
Lucio hacked.
Kill Doom.
Lucio.
Never mind.
Oh fuck.
yeah.
He's
Yes,
still behind us right now.
That's fine. Doomfist has no ult. He's killable. Does someone care primal?
They probably do. Yeah.
Yeah, they have tank ults and support ults. Or
Yeah,
D.Va
they're
five.
only-
Someone in E.
Oh, she's close. She's close.
She's one. I need
She got
to
fucking
Nice,
nano.
nice.
They use nano. Focus Doom. Kill Doom.
What?
Doom in spawn.
Monkey hacked.
Focus Lucio.
In the mini.
D.Va.
D.Va's gonna bomb.
EMP. Okay, monkey. Nice.
We didn't need EMP there, Rip.
That's fine.
Alright, I'm gonna play close and try and kill one of the supports here. I need help.
Has he used beat yet?
No, he hasn't.
What the
Okay,
fuck is he was insane.
Yo, get through on cart. Right now.
Yeah, 3. I'm on it.
Steve's coming right side.
Evac.
I'm holding them spawn.
Nice.
I'm definitely gonna need some shit.
Oh, you're purple.
I'm dead. Nice.
Yeah,
Oh, monkey.
nice.
No.
Focus Lucio cart.
Lucio 1 HP.
Anna on
Anna
cart.
next. No, dude.
She's one.
Nice.
Sombra?
I was holding them cart. I was holding them spawn, dude. It's insane.
This is a really good bomb play. Point 2.
Wait, what was the play?
When you said we're gonna throw a bomb, and I threw it immediately.
Oh yeah. That's beautiful.
Big brain.
It worked though, so whatever.
You're running dive, Doomfist,
Huh?
and Sombra.
Oh, you guys should not be playing there.
Yeah, please play back, play back.
I got Sombra out of stealth right now. I'm fine.
Okay, I see a translocator. Jump Sombra, I'll destroy translocator, okay?
Wait, once you uncloak, we'll tell you.
Yeah. Just let me
Okay,
know.
just do it now, just do it now, just do it now.
Yeah, I uncloaked her.
Yeah, I did.
Kill Monkey!
She has no translocator, she has no
Holy
translocator.
shit.
Do this one.
Think this one. You only have Lucy heals right now?
Doomhack.
I should have just called something. But this forced me playing high ground at that point. Or else they just get fucked by that dive.
Play high ground so it's easy. Next time, play high ground so it's easier for Geo. And it's harder for the Doomfist to do much damage.
Yeah.
Like back high ground point. And then if they stop playing close,
Where's Sombra?
Sombra's low. She didn't
I
hack
don't see
anyone.
it right now.
Kill Doomfist.
Monkey.
You got fucking nailed.
I'm fine.
Just die right now.
Yeah.
Okay, what else we have? We're gonna have Nano Blade.
Should I pretty much
Yeah,
have
they-
anything but the only thing I
They're probably happy.
Yeah.
He needs to sum up for
Yeah, they use Nano and
Doomfist top
Duke.
right. Poke Doomfist. Doomfist low.
Monkey hack.
do.
Nice.
He has ult,
I'm a-
if you guys can kill him.
Sombra's high ground.
Dude, Diva's gonna be very low.
Bombing behind him.
Very low.
I'm gonna die on point. 100%, yeah.
Doomhack,
Nice.
You can end.
Do we have to drop here?
Oh, I dropped
Doom's dead.
Good job. Just peel.
Monkey's
for me to
asleep
come
on
back.
back left here.
They have no Doom right now, so
Nano and
Oh,
Zoom
shit.
gets low.
Alright.
She has no translocate?
I'm gonna EMP on Cart.
Okay, fine. Nano me.
Fucking Nano Blade.
Nice.
They have EMP. They
I'm
nearly.
leaving her. I'm leaving her.
Yeah, leave it. Don't kill her.
Either the EMP didn't got cancelled, or
No more
they, like,
Matrix.
or they
It's fine.
didn't.
I'll
EMP.
sleep in 1 second.
Oh, nice.
Oh, boop her away.
Yeah, both go back.
Careful they don't come back.
No.
Oh, it wasn't the Sombra that left. Or the dude.
Yikes.
Yikes.
Literally the
Yeah,
best
the
dagger
most
I've ever
painful
seen.
moment in a diva's life.
Yeah.
That's some
They used
spectacular
the-
bullying.
They used a lot of old stuff, right?
They don't have primal, so
They use DMP, so we can use be aggressively next time.
that was beat.
Try and get a dive. Wait, I'm
Wait,
pretty
was it
sure
beat or EMP?
you canceled the EMP, right?
I don't think we did. I think she was just supposed to do it. But
Yeah,
no.
if she was just about to do that and we heard the voice line, then he canceled the EMP.
I didn't hear it, but I saw her uncloak.
I'm
And
almost
that's
100%.
LaFon gave a
No,
no.
they just in
sound,
general
so-
in general terms, do not ever think that an alt is used unless you've actually heard the voice line.
I
Okay.
heard the voice.
Are you sure it was? I mean,
Fine, never mind. Probably
Yeah,
beat.
I
But
don't
beat
know.
wasn't cancelled. He still has it.
Okay.
Assume she has it.
Okay, so we have to hide for beat. Then people
Okay,
don't
we're
get
gonna-
that. Hacked our tanks, or else we lose.
hide for beat because they actually use a lot also. Hide for beat. Maybe we can get an early fight off of like hack or something.
Yeah, I'll try and get a hack off under tanks or something.
I'm just scared that they're gonna EMP.
If you can hack their Lucio or their Ana, it makes it really easy for me to
Okay,
dive
yeah.
them.
They're gonna EMP the dive. I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure.
We can
I
dive
don't
him.
know about that.
Like either of their supports
Oh,
makes
you're
it.
playing.
Alright,
Okay,
alright,
cool.
Wait, pardon?
Oh, Doom's right here. No, it's just him. Can I get help?
Summer's behind us.
I am
Behind you.
coach.
Tanks are, they're all coming top right.
Yeah,
They have EMP.
They have no jump. They have no jump. Why don't we go?
Okay,
but
I'm ready.
Diva,
Yeah,
Diva,
nah.
fly. Diva, Diva,
Do this
Diva.
one. Do this one. Do this one.
One.
Move back, move
D back.
Oh.
Can we kill them?
That
Doom's
is-
asleep on point.
I got hacked.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, Diva's one. Oh.
What's it hacked? What's in one? What's in one? What's in dead?
Nice.
I'm playing point. We're swim more, right?
It's only you
I'm
can
fucking
talk.
Inton. Oh shit! I fucked up.
We have to play around DMT better. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say.
We shouldn't have been able to get an EMP and then lose.
Can we kill the?
Oh, sorry, Jack. Oh.
It's okay.
Holy shit.
He's chain
We don't have
feeding
heals right
on
now.
Doomfist.
Fucking getting popped.
Never mind.
Yeah, we don't have mana right now.
Okay, we have Nano Blade. No. Thought they burned Doom out. And EMP.
EMP, no. Oh, well, I'm ready. Yeah.
Alright, are you ready?
I'm gonna
Just
bomb.
fucking Nano Blade.
I'm
Nano
doing
Blade.
it.
No, I'm not.
No, he's doing it.
Oh fuck!
Why?
Sorry.
You know, it's good. It's good.
I heard now. Oh my god.
No.
It's good. It's good.
Sorry, dude. Oh my god.
Okay, we'll just hard dive their fucking Lucio. They're really hard. So that they don't have it. Can you go for hack on Lucio actually? Just hide
Yeah,
behind them.
yeah.
I'm going on high ground for.
They're gonna speed in main.
Luciak.
You got it, go!
Nice. No.
We don't have boop right now.
I got both supports.
Hack right now.
Oh. Yeah, we have no supports.
Sombra's
On Winston.
The
Winston.
Doofus is one. Doofus is one.
Winston dead.
Nice.
Matrix, no Matrix?
I can't survive this.
I thought we were blading that fight.
Divac.
No.
Yeah, she's D-Mac.
I mean, I killed both supports.
Yeah.
The jackpot. Yeah.
No. I fed. I killed Diva though.
Divas.
Somebody's asleep.
On monkey.
Luciak.
Monkey.
What?
Monkey's.
Monkey.
Monkey's
Monkey hack. Sack.
I'm just gonna play point.
I have enough supports.
Can we speed? We're gonna have to speed us on.
Fine, they use a ton of ults. It's fine.
Yeah.
That's
Can we
that part.
contest?
We have to go in.
They use
I know.
EMP, they use Doomfist.
We're going to be-
they use
we're going to
one
be-
ult.
No.
Yeah, just be blade this.
What the fuck?
Keep blade, yeah.
Oh.
Doomfist is one. I got hacked.
Come on, Doom.
Oh,
Low.
MP.
Doomfist is still
Yo.
low.
Monkey low as well.
Monkey. Nice.
Doom's on
I'm
right
hacked.
Doom hack.
Yeah.
Doom half.
I'm gonna die in cart.
Doom dead.
Okay.
Good. I'm
We have to get on cart.
Oh my god.
I couldn't get back.